Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Welcome to Kettle Queen. Today I'm going to prepare mushroom chili. So this is around 200 gram of mushrooms. Okay. Now in this mixture, in this mushroom, we are going to add half cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 cup of corn flour. Then salt as per taste, little bit of turmeric powder just for the color, then garam masala powder and red chili powder. Now we will gradually add water, okay, and mix this nicely and also gently. Should not take the mushrooms, okay. By adding little bit of water at a time, we will mix this properly. The consistency should be like this, okay. Now we will fry them. Okay, so we'll fry the mushrooms till they turn light golden color. So these mushrooms are fried properly. Now we'll take this out. Okay, and fry all the mushrooms, okay, in the same manner. So yes guys, mushroom are properly fried, okay. So you can look at how crispy they have turned into. So fry all of them like golden crispy. Okay. Now just turn up the kettle and transfer the oil to a different bowl or something. Now in the same kettle, add around half teaspoon of oil. Then add the chopped garlics. Number of green chilies. Then we'll add the green capsicum and onions. Here it is not required to fry the onions till they turn light golden color as always. Okay, we'll just fry it for around 3 to 4 minutes. That's it. After about 2-3 minutes, now we're going to add the sauce. Here I have mixed all the sauces: tomato ketchup, green chili sauce, red chili sauce and the soy sauce. Going to add this to the kettle. Now we'll add around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll add little bit of water to it, around 2 teaspoon of water. Now mix this well and bring this mixture to a boil and let it boil for around 2 minutes. Okay. Now we'll add the corn flour slurry to this mixture just to thicken it. Give it a good mix. Now we'll add the mushrooms to it. Mix this gently. and now we'll fry this for about 1 minute. Okay, not more than that. Mushroom chili is ready, guys. Now we'll take this to a plate. So yes guys, just look at this looks very tasty. Okay, so do try this recipe and don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. And the kettle which I had used in this video, the link will be in the description. Please check it out. Okay, bye bye, take care.